how to star or favorite your text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the text messages app. Now in here, open up the text conversation. Then scroll through the text message list and touch and hold on a text message that you would like to favorite or star. Here, I would like to star this picture or this particular message. At the top here, tap on the star button, and that's it. This will allow you to quickly later go back to your save messages or your favorite message so that you can quickly review them. Now, if you tap on the more button at the top and then tap on start, in here you'll be able to view all your favorite messages. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.